Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome my dear friends in this video. In this video we are talking spoken English, how you can speak English fluently between of people, how you can speak English confidently between of people. My dear friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can speak English. If you are a student, if you are a learner, if you are working in company, so my dear friends, it is the most important for to you how you can talk of the people in the English, because if you will go big company for your interview, people always put up question in English. So what would you do, my dear friends? In this video we are going to talk about how you can speak English and how you can face interview confidently, my dear friends. If you are a student, if you are a learner, if you want to gain better response in your life, my dear friends, you focus now at yourself. I hope you can do better in your life. If you are thinking you are weak, how you can speak English? My dear friends, you can see to me also I am thinking as to you after 5 years. 5 years, not 5 months, only 5 months. But how am I getting speak confidently between to you? If you would say to me you have to speak 100 student between of people, I will speak, because I have gain confidence in our entire life. We can speak fluently between of people, my dear friends. This video is totally depend in English, and first of all I would show to you, because I am teaching of students of my knowledge and I want to show something in this video. ये देखिए, ये मार्कर है, it is marker I have taken now recently and it is finished, समाप्त हो चुका है, और दो उधर पड़ा होगा अभी. My dear friends, in this video we are going to talk about how to speak English, how to speak English confidently. Speak English confidently. My dear friends, if you are a student, you must watch clearly in this video. I hope you gain well knowledge here. My dear friends, my dear older friends, and my dear sister, also my dear boys and well, my dear boys I mean my dear friends, and all worker who is working in company. If you are a learner, I watched lot of people because they are joining institute how they can speak English fluently between of people, because I have watched lot of people and lot of girl, they are joining many institute and many coaching center because they want to improve his communication skill. My dear friends, in this video we are going to talk about how you can speak. If you are a student, you focus now, my dear friends, you have to need read. My dear friends, I have already made video, but it is personally for to you and you would learn as how am I getting speak. Read. First of all, you have to read book, and what are you reading? You have to write what you are reading. You have to write, my dear friends, and my dear sister, and my dear older friends and respected people. Right, you have to read, write, speak. I have already made video, but I think that पहले मैं बनाया था, तो I am feeling hesitate, my dear friends. How am I getting speak as front to you? You can see to me there is no fear at my face, because I am confident. We can speak and we teach class 12, 11th physics, math, and also I am an English learner and I am providing to you how you can speak English fluently between of people, my dear friends. Read, write, speak and practice. Practice, my dear friends, regular practice. My dear friends, what become to me? If we are going to learn English, in our mind not come word what we have to speak to you. First of all, what you have to do, my dear friends, you have to read, write, speak. My dear friends, you will speak poorly, broken language when you would start, but you have not feel hesitate, you have not disappointed at this task. You cannot do well in your life. If you want to improve yourself, if you want to gain better response to you, if you think that you have to gain well knowledge in your life, my dear friends, focus now at yourself. You must recognize yourself, and if you want to do, my dear friends, when you are recognize yourself, there is no one stop to you in which field you are going to do work. If you are interested, if you are thinking, we can make better and we can stand flag in this field, you must go and you must do. I hope you can gain better response. So because this video is totally depend in English and we are talking in English all, we would not talk in Hindi. My dear friends, someone are coming and they asking to me, they are not asking to me, another people, because when I watch video, sir, ma'am, for the spoken English what we have to need? If we know of the make sentences, can I speak English? If we want to improve myself, how we can do? Because I have not sufficient resources, how we can speak English? Because you have to listen lot of people who belong in a village. My dear friends, also am I belong a village, and also I am a learner, also I want to do well of myself. So making yourself precious in your life, I hope you would gain better response. Give time at yourself, my dear friends. We are talking, give time. Give time at yourself. What is this? Give time at yourself, my dear friends, if you want to do well in your life. If you want to do well in your life, give time at yourself. At yourself, my dear friends, if you want to do well, give time at yourself, not people. If you are a girl, if you are a boy, my dear friend, you must not run, you must not during behind of people, if you want to gain better in your life, my dear friends. Because I am providing better opportunity to you, how you can speak English, how you can learn English, how you can speak without hesitation in your college, how you can speak between of people in public, how you can learn, how you can do practice, and how you can do conversation of people. My dear friends, you have to listen. If we want to improve our communication, we have to need some conversation. So let's come we know that conversation. Conversation बोलते हैं. My dear friends, if you want to improve yourself, I have not as a friend who is we can do practice, who is we can talk of people, because you have and you have resources. If you are giving time in your book, I think that one day you will succeed in your life. Because who is जो बुकों के आगे झुकते हैं मेरे दोस्त, लाइफ में उन्हें किसी के आगे झुकने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. यू हैव टू नो डैट इट इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर योर एम्बिशन, what you want to do and what you want to gain in your life. You focus now at yourself today. आज से ही फोकस करना स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. स्टार्ट फोकस नाउ एट योर सेल्फ टूडे इफ यू आर सीरियस टेकिंग ए परसेंट फॉर योर फ्यूचर, फॉर योर एम्बिशन in your life. My dear friends, when we are starting to speak, when we make video, our video 30 minutes not like, कम नहीं होता है, 25 minutes. This video, if I will speak front to you, I think that 1 hour I will speak without book front to you. But if you are feeling boring, my dear friends, what we have to give lecture front to you? What mean? क्या मतलब होगा मेरे बोलने से? If you are not effecting of my talk, my dear friends, what become to me? Someone is as people in my entire life. Someone are, many people are getting understand you are cheap, you are free always. But my dear friends, I want to say all of them. मैं उन लोगों से कहना चाहूँगा जो लोग दूसरों को टाइम देते हैं, तो उन्हें आप इतना सस्ता भी मत समझिए कि उसको अपने सस्ते होने का एहसास हो जाए अपने लाइफ में मेरे दोस्त. क्योंकि वह जब सस्ता होने का एहसास हो जाता है उसे, तो वह अपने महंगे होने का एहसास कराने लगता है. यू मस्ट नॉट फॉरगेट एट दिस टॉक इन योर लाइफ. फ्रेंडशिप and relation and relative is a different talk, but you must not play of his मासूमियत को क्या बोलते हैं यार, you would not play his मासूमियत. किसी के मासूमियत का इतना भी फ़ायदा नहीं उठाना चाहिए लाइफ में. यदि वह उसे एहसास हो जाता है ही इज ओनली यूजिंग, तो वह फिर अपने आप को प्रीशियस बनाने के लिए टाइम देने लगता है. और माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, यू कैन डू वेल इन योर लाइफ एंड वी डू नॉट वांट टू दिस वीडियो फॉर द लॉट ऑफ अस. एंड ओनली आई वुड लाइक टू से माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, माय ओल्डर फ्रेंड्स हु इज स्टडीइंग नाउ, जो लोग अभी भी पढ़ रहे हैं, आई वुड लाइक टू हु इज एंड देयर स्टूडेंट आर डूइंग प्रिपरेशन of JEE, also AE, assistant engineer, junior engineer. My dear friends, I am completed our engineering and we are talking front to you. You can go in my history and you can see of my video how I am getting speak front to you and how I have learned English. How I have learned English. If you are excited to learn fluently between of people, my dear friends, if you want to do well in your life, you focus now at yourself, my dear friends. If you will do better in your life, people always live around to you, because one man, one girl doing his study, there is no one with him. But when he succeed in his life, lot of people around him to you. So focus now at yourself, my dear friends, and every game is success. Every game is success, my dear friends and respected people. Every game is success. You must know that at this track. Every game is successful person. सक्सेस, सभी खेल जो है मेरे दोस्त सफलता की है, सफलता का है. यदि आप सफल हैं तो लोग आप ही साथ हैं. My dear friends, I always say to you, and this video we would not for the lot of us, and I hope you can do well knowledge and you can improve your communication skill. You can speak fluently between of people. You focus now at yourself and you can watch my YouTube channel and you can learn and you can get better response to me. My dear friends, also I am belong as your family and as a common people, because who I am getting speak front to you, because I am giving time of myself, of my education, how we can gain well knowledge in my life. So now I am focusing, and also you can focus at yourself and you can gain better response. So thank you my dear friends for watching this video, and meet you in the next video if you would suggest in our comment box. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Constitution of India. Love you all.